Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, October the 23rd at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in the app under the list feature to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios at Dollar General. So first, I'll have the cashiers ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If you have a newer keypad, you will have to ask your cashier. If your store still has the older keypads in place, it will show you your subtotal on the screen. Next, you want to type in your phone number and wait for all your digital coupons to come off. Again, if your store has the older keypad still in place, it will show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then, if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Always keep in mind that if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction. Your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account and you can try again. It's always better to just void it out, try to figure out what happened, and then try again, because if you go ahead and pay for it and you pay that high out of pocket where coupons didn't come off or whatever it may be, if you go ahead and pay for it, there is no way to get your digital coupons back. Whereas if you void it, you can get your digital coupons that will go back on your account in just a couple of seconds, and you are good to go to try it again. Alright, so just a couple of quick reminders before we get into the scenarios. Dollar General does have a clearance event that starts today, Friday, October the 22nd. So these are mostly seasonal items. The clearance section and the core clearance items are not included. But as you can see here, I have a list for you on the screen. We have red dot home, yellow dot apparel, shoes and accessories, green dot home, swim and summer toys, beach towels, spring and summer stationery and party supplies, select lawn and garden, and summer beverages and freeze pops. So all of these items will be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. And like I said, that starts today on Friday and runs through Sunday. So that is good for our 5 off $25 scenarios because you can definitely throw in some of those items with your 5 off 25 and get an even better deal. Or say you're in the store tomorrow and you need a quick filler item, be on the lookout for those clearance event items that we have, because a lot of those are just 10 cents. Look high, look low, look down the toy aisle, look in the clearance section, all of the good spots. Just be on the lookout for those because there are some really good deals out there. And just in case you missed it and you want to see some of these items that will be an additional 50% off, I did do a video earlier this week on some of these summer clearance items. So definitely go check that one out. I'm going to leave that one linked in the pinned comment down below. And also, this is kind of a slow week for coupon matchups. We don't have a whole lot of great deals out there. We do have some, but just in case your store is out of stock of something that is in one of these scenarios or whatever it may be, I did put together a good deals and glitch list video. Some of these are older glitches. I kind of went through the whole list there and tried to pick out all of the current ones that we have. So definitely go and check out that video. You may have forgotten about some of the really good deals that are going on. And I will leave that one linked down in the pinned comment as well. Alright guys, so first up for our 5 off $25 scenarios, we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you will need a couple of insert coupons, but the rest of the scenarios that I have in this video are all digital deals. But for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Irish Spring body washes at $8. They are $4 each. One of the Schick Classic razors for $4.50. One of the Garnier Micellar Waters for $5. One of the Maybelline Great Lash Mascaras. You could also substitute and pick up the eyeliner instead. Those are both priced at $5. 2 of the Colgate Cavity Protection 3 packs of toothpaste at $8. They are $4 each. And 1 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste at $1.75. Your subtotal is going to be $32.25. We are going to be taking advantage of 2 instant savings deals in this scenario. So we have an instant savings on the Irish Spring. When you spend $8, you'll instantly save 2. And then we have an instant savings on Colgate. Again, spend 8, you'll instantly save 2 at the register. So you have a total of $4 in instant savings coming off first at the register. And that is going to put your new subtotal at $28.25. So we are still over that $25 subtotal. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Irish Spring insert coupon from the 1010 Smart Source, the 3 off 1 Schick Razors digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Garnier Micellar Water DG Store coupon, the 2 off 1 Garnier Micellar Water from the 1017 Save Insert, the 2 off 1 Maybelline digital coupon, the 6 off 2 Colgate Multi-Pack digital coupon, and the 2 off 1 Colgate digital coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.25 for 8 items, making each one just 65 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a little cleaning supply deal here. So for this one you want to pick up 2 of the Fabuloso wipes at $5.90. They are $2.95 each. 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps for $10. They are $5 each. 2 of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays for $4. They are $2 each. And 2 of the Colgate Cavity Protect toothpaste 3 packs for $8. They are $4 each. And then you're going to need 1 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste at $1.75. Now, if you don't have the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste in stock at your store, that very last one there, I just threw that in to take advantage of the overage. But if you don't have that one in stock, you can definitely leave that one off of this scenario. So your subtotal will be $29.65. You're going to have $2 in instant savings from that Colgate instant savings deal. That's going to put your new subtotal at $27.65. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $2.95 off 2 Fabuloso wipes. That's basically a buy one, get one free coupon. The buy one, get one free Palmolive dish soap. That's going to take off $5. The 2 off 2 Chlorine / Pinoline cleaners. The 6 off 2 Colgate multi-pack toothpaste. And the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $4.70 for 9 items, making each one just 52 cents each. Alright guys, so this next scenario is kind of a little mix and match deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the All or Snuggle products. They are on sale this week, 2 for $8. 2 of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays for $4. They are $2 each. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $1.65. 1 of the Schick Classic razors for $4.50. 2 of the Colgate Cavity Protect 3-pack toothpaste for $8. And 1 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $1.75. Your subtotal will be $27.90. Again, you're going to save $2 instantly at the register for that Colgate deal. And that's going to bring your new subtotal to $25.90. And here are the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 All or Snuggle products, the 2 off 2 Chlorine / Pinoline cleaners, the 160 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 3 off 1 Schick razors, the 6 off 2 Colgate multi-pack, and the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.30 for 9 items, making each one just 36 cents each. Alright guys, next up we have a food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the General Mills Pokemon or Lucky Charms clusters. I'm not quite sure why the Charms is in all caps there, but we're going to go with it. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Honey Nut Cheerios. These are on sale 3 for $6 this week. So that Pokemon or the Lucky Charms plus the 2 Honey Nut Cheerios, that's going to bring you at $6. Then you're going to need 2 Quaker Instant Oatmeal 7 count for $4. Those are $2 each. 1 of the Starburst Drink Mix 6 count at $1. 1 of the Starburst 3.2 ounce bags for $1. 1 of the Totino's Pizza Rolls for $2. 2 of the Ritz Cheese Crispers, they are on sale this week, 2 for $3. 1 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks that you can find up near the register for 34 cents. 2 of the Colgate Cavity Protect toothpaste 3 packs for $8. And 1 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $1.75. Your subtotal is going to be $27.09. That $2 in instant savings will come off first at the register for that Colgate deal. And that's going to bring your new subtotal to $25.09. Alright, and here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Pokemon or Lucky Charms. Again, I'm not sure why that one is capitalized. Then you're going to need the 150 off 2 Cheerios, the 2 off 2 Quaker Products DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 Starburst DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Totino's Pizza Rolls, the 1 off 2 Ritz Crackers, the 25 cents off 1 Welch's, the 6 off 2 Colgate multi-pack, and the 2 off 1 Colgate. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.34 for 14 items, or just 31 cents each. Now, before I get a bunch of comments in the comment section about including the Colgate in every scenario, I do want to say I'm sorry. I apologize. Typically, I don't do that. I try to give you all a big variety to choose from and different ways that you can mix and match. But this week, I have been kind of learning how to edit these in-store videos. I've been working on this new store video that I've kind of been teasing to y'all the past couple of weeks since I took my little road trip. I think you all are really gonna like that video. I hope anyways. I've spent a lot of time on it. I had a lot of footage and a lot of pictures that I wanted to share with y'all. So hopefully I'll have that one finished up this weekend and it will be ready to go on Monday. So be on the lookout for that. It will definitely be out next week. But that took up a lot of my time this week. I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to do a 5 off $25 video. So I kind of threw these together last minute and just kind of threw this video together really quickly. So by next week, everything should be back to normal. I'll have you guys a good variety to choose from, different ways you can mix and match, and the pictures of the coupons and all of that good stuff. So again, I apologize. Don't come for me in the comment section, okay? And one more thing before you go, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. I haven't mentioned this rebate app in a while, but this is the easiest rebate app out there, especially if you are a new couponer. You definitely need to download it and check it out. You don't have to add anything onto your account or anything like that. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you're going to turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So again, don't forget to scan y'all's receipts after you get done with your 5 off $25 scenarios and earn those points. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and hopefully it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So go ahead, leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend and I will see you on the next one.